Ever feel like criticism hits you way harder than it should? It can happen. You might have rejection sensitive dysphoria. Good Lord, really? Rejection sensitive dysphoria, RSD. And if you're a leader, that can be both a blessing and a challenge. So let's talk about that. What is RSD, you say? Well, RSD is when rejection, or even the thought of rejection, feels physically painful. That's super common for people with ADHD and autistic brains, and can lead to overworking, people-pleasing, or avoiding feedback altogether. Can you relate to some of that? Maybe, maybe not. But RSD isn't all bad. In fact, it can make you a stronger leader. And you know what? Here's why. High emotional intelligence. You deeply understand your team, passionate and driven. You push for success like crazy. But the downside you might think about is you take feedback personally, overwork, and make impulsive decisions. So how do you manage that? Here's how to make RSD your superpower instead of a downfall to your leadership style. First and foremost, reframe the criticism. It's data, not a personal attack. Pause before reacting. Take a deep breath. Before responding, focus on progress, not perfection. Growth, flawlessness. Struggle with RSD and ADHD or autism as a leader? You're not alone. Drop a note in the comments if you can relate, and follow me for more mindset tips.